So here is our plantain wine. This is plantain wine. You see, as a clean white. Okay, so in case you want, this is banana wine. You see the color, that is why it's black brown like this. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare plantain wine. So this is my plantain. So plantain wine with ginger. Okay, so I want to wash the plantain. So now I want to cut it. So now so I want to cover it and leave it for 3 days. So we are preparing plantain wine and ginger. So thank you for watching. So here is our plantain wine. This is plantain wine. You see, as a clean white. Okay, this is banana wine. You see the color, that is why it's black brown like this. So this is plantain. So we soak it for 3 days. 3 days. Okay, so I want to save it. This is plantain wine. It's very good. So you know where I keep this one inside bottle. In case you don't want to take off, you can leave this one for like 5 days inside bottle. The processing it will be continue. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. I want to take some. Wow, this is like palmy palm wine. It has gas. It's sweet, it's sour. You have the taste like palm wine. Okay, bye bye. Mwah. So because we said we are preparing plantain ginger wine, so this is my ginger, so I want to add it inside this one. So Jesus, so this is our ginger wine. I'm going to leave it like this for 5 days. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.